Here's a 2018 Porsche Macan. Its muscular dominant look only hints at the athletic prowess that awaits. This is so much more than a compact SUV. In every way, this is a true sports car. It comes with the features you need, and better yet, want. Intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, 4-wheel drive, voice activation, power liftgate, dual zone climate control, front and rear parking sensors, internal audio memory, Bluetooth, manual tilting steering column, and external memory control. Car and Driver declare this is truly the SUV for those who swore they'd never be caught driving one. Porsche, highly intelligent performance. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
At Porsche Atlanta Perimeter, we prove that buying a car can be a world-class experience. Contact Porsche Atlanta Perimeter today. We're conveniently located inside I-285 on Peachtree Boulevard.